Mission Station on Space to Ground.
Welcome to Space to Ground, your weekly look at what's happening on board the International Space Station. I'm Nicole Cloutier-Lemasters. A new delivery has arrived at the ISS. Orbital Science's Cygnus cargo ship launched from NASA's Wallops Flight Facility in Virginia Sunday afternoon and was attached to the station on Wednesday using Canadarm2. The spacecraft was loaded with more than 3,000 pounds of supplies, science experiments, and spacewalk equipment for the ISS crew. Hatches were opened on Thursday, and the crew will spend the next several days unloading the cargo. One of the onboard crew members received a few upgrades this week. Robonaut, the station's humanoid robot, was outfitted with new helmet pieces by Station Commander Steve Swanson. Steve also upgraded the robot's torso and joints, all in preparation for the installation of a set of robotic legs to be attached later. Robonaut arrived at the space station in 2011 to help station astronauts complete complex tasks in space. The station crew has been playing with fire this week, or at least experimenting with it. The Flame Extinguishment, or Flex-2 experiment, uses small droplets of fuel to study the special characteristics of burning fuel droplets in space. The experiment looks at how quickly fuel burns, the conditions required for soot to form, and how mixtures of fuels evaporate before burning. Understanding these processes could lead to the production of safer spacecraft, as well as increased fuel efficiency for engines using liquid fuel here on Earth. This week's social media question comes from Geo Model Railroader. He asks, how does the station crew attach a cargo craft like HTV, Dragon, or Cygnus to the station? Well, there are two ways to attach visiting vehicles to the ISS. Crafts like the Cygnus that arrived at the station this week, as well as SpaceX's Dragon and Japan's HTV, are captured by the crew using the station's robotic arm and maneuvered safely into position by robotics officers in mission control. On the other hand, Russian Progress and Soyuz vehicles and Europe's automated transfer vehicle fly into their docking ports using an automated radar-based rendezvous and docking system. Make sure to keep sending your questions and comments using the hashtag #SpaceToGround. We'll see you next week.